Dear students, I am Mr. Madhukar Jhanze, Head Department of Mathematics, SNJB's KKH Arts, SMGL Commerce and SPHS Science College, Chandwad. Today we have a topic, Techniques of a Sample Surveys for Research. An overview, what is survey, steps in survey, selecting a representative sample and pitfalls. What is survey? A method of gathering information from subgroup sample to infer to the whole group of populations. For example, TV networks to find out how many and what type of people watch their programs. Car manufacturers to find out satisfaction with their cars. Household budget survey. Evaluation of the smoking ban. Political opinion polls, library survey to identify how service can be improved. So these are the examples of surveys. So why sample survey is important? Because to avoid the maximum time, cost and accuracy, for accuracy purpose, sample is required. For example, a representative of sample, population. What is a population? An aggregate of individual under study is called populations, and a part of population is called sample. For example, we have to check the blood in the human body, so we are taking samples. We are not taking the samples from every part of the body. That is sample. So there are a number of examples of samples. Purpose of sample is to infer to the populations, to represent the populations, because if there are sampling, simple random sampling, stratified sampling are the examples of sampling. We will see one by one up in the next slides. Sample must be chosen so that it is representative of the populations. Purpose and subject matter, types of surveys. The coverage for this sample is sample, census and source of information, official statistics, observational studies, mail questionnaire, telephone interview, face-to-face interview, internet questionnaire. Steps involved in survey for research. Set your objectives, define populations, decide on data required to fulfill your objectives, decide on sample design, decide on method of measurement, carry out pilot study, revise questionnaire and sample design, collect data. So analysis and conclusion. These are the steps involved in the survey of research. And final report. What can go wrong? Sample not representative of populations, incorrect questionnaire design, no pilot survey, non-response, sample too large for budget and time constraint. To stop करें